What we see here today is an Emerson 1895 series in 42-inch. White and brass with stencil blades. Normal ball socket canopy, not the blender canopy that we all know and love. The fan came with a 4-inch globe fitter, no glass. So I decided to add some glass, or as Hunter calls it, smoked glass and brass. Smoked glass and brass. No and, just an N. The top and bottom panes are smoked beveled glass, whereas the side panes are etched. Nice bit of 80s fun for you. As you can see, it's a normal ball socket canopy, and as well as that, you can also see the knockout for swag kits, because people love to use those. The fan uses an Emerson KB55 stack motor, and yeah, so it's not the Sears spinner version that we see all too often, so it's the good one. Let's see how it performs, shall we? Low speed is relatively fast for a 42-inch fan. So it's an effective low speed, not really good for aesthetics. Another thing worth noting is the Emerson fob. And the fact that the pull chain is one strand, no connector. I guess Emerson thought everyone didn't have light switches when they designed this concept. Not necessarily a bad thing, it's just don't always want long chains. Let's put it to medium. It wobbles a little bit. It's not terrible, though. It also be noted that high speed, quite similar to, or no, this is medium speed, and it's very similar to other fans' high speed, or other 42-inch fans. So puts them to shame. Anyway, let's go to high. The KB55 motor tends to be a bit buzzy, especially on high, and this one is no exception to the rule. And as you can imagine, it flies on high, so performance is very decent. I believe this fan has a smaller KB55 in it, not the full size found in the 52-inch. So, but I could be wrong. It could be the same size. To reverse it from high. And let's let it coast. The arcless pull chain's a little on the sticky side. Need to crack it open and clean the contacts. That's the advantage of the arcless pull chain. They're easy to open up and take apart and clean everything, unlike other pull chains which are riveted shut. So they are actually user serviceable. It's also very good for when the pull chain breaks. The KB55 motor is what we call half motor, where half the motor is a normal end bell, or all normal, but the end of it is open. The rotor and flywheel are integrated, or in other words, the flywheel is part of the rotor. I think it uses a single bearing. Possibly, actually no, maybe it uses two. Either way, it's open-ended. So when the blade irons are off, the motor windings are very visible. There is no cover over the motor windings. There used to be in older 1895s, but not with this one. I guess they thought, we'll cut costs and have the blade irons cover up the massive void. And there you have it, a 42-inch Emerson 1895 series.